My name is Nick Cappony, and I live in Castlewoods. After a tree fell on my roof, obviously I was in the market for a new roof, and a friend of mine heard and immediately called me and recommended Complete Exteriors. Well, I think one of the best reasons that I picked the company was, of course, I was very anxious and didn't know anything about putting on a roof, and I was really depending on someone to educate me and inform me about the insurance company that I'd be dealing with from A to Z, and all the questions and anxieties that I had were answered by Eric. I was a sales rep for 33 years, and there's one thing I believe in, and that's product knowledge. And Eric was really very good about the product knowledge that he has done and learned with the company. One of the other things I like about sales reps, I like them to be enthusiastic about their work, and I like them to be professional in the way that they speak. And he met that criteria, and he was a very good communicator. It's been a great relationship and a partnership. We were able to work out with the insurance company to get a full replacement when they only offered to do a partial replacement. Yeah, it's the name of your company. It's called Complete Exteriors, so it's a complete packaged roofing company from A to Z. I had a team effort, and that's what I describe as a complete package.
If someone called you and said, should I do business with Complete Exteriors, what would you tell them?
I would tell them, I don't think I'd check with another roofing company. The answer would be absolutely, because of all the things that I've stated in this interview.